Thank you British customers for choosing EA960R3 advertising LED screen. This screen adopts a 960mm x 960mm magnesium alloy cabinet design, which is both lightweight and durable, and perfectly adapts to various harsh environments. Whether it is indoor or outdoor application, EA960R3 can easily handle it, support fixed installation and rental scenarios, and meet diverse display needs. Its high brightness and high-definition display effect ensures an excellent visual experience under complex lighting conditions. EA960R3 is not only an ideal choice for advertising display, but also a reliable partner for high-end applications such as large-scale events and stage performances, bringing unlimited creative possibilities to customers.